If you're still using AI just to write functions or fix bugs, you're missing its true potential. In this course, you'll learn how to work with Codex as if it were another developer on your team, not as a chatbot, not as an assistant, but as an engineer capable of analysing entire projects, understanding software architecture and implementing complex features. This is the first video in a 10-part series. By the end of this course, you'll know how to build projects faster, produce higher quality code, and get the most out of AI. Let's get started. A lot of people think Codex is just another version of ChatGPT. It isn't. ChatGPT is great for brainstorming ideas, answering questions, summarising information, or helping with specific problems. Codex is different. It's designed to work directly with software projects and source code. It can read an entire code base, understand how it's organised, recognise patterns, connect files and dependencies, and suggest changes that fit the overall architecture. That completely changes the way software gets built. But here's the problem. Almost everyone makes the same mistake when they first start using it. They open Codex and type something like, "Build me a website," or even worse, create an app like Spotify. Requests like these almost always lead to disappointing results, not because AI isn't capable, but because we're giving it poor instructions. AI performs dramatically better when it has context. Think about hiring a new software engineer. On their first day, you wouldn't simply say, "Build an application." You'd explain the business goals, who the users are, which technologies your team uses, how the project is structured, what coding standards everyone follows. Working with Codex is exactly the same. The more context you provide, the better decisions it can make. That's what this course is really about. Not just writing better prompts, but building better context. Because that's the difference between getting an average result and getting work that feels like it came from an experienced software engineer. There's another important idea. Codex doesn't replace developers, it amplifies them. You're still making the important decisions. You're still reviewing the code. You're still designing the architecture. But repetitive work stops consuming hours of your day. That's a huge shift. Instead of writing every line of code yourself, you start directing. Instead of focusing on every tiny implementation detail, you coordinate. It's a completely different mindset. You stop thinking like someone who writes all the code and start thinking like someone leading a team that also includes AI. That idea will be the foundation of this entire series. We're not just going to learn how to use Codex. We're going to learn how to work with it effectively. In the next videos, you'll learn how to write professional prompts, how to organise projects so AI truly understands them, how to build specialised AI agents, how to break down complex tasks, how to reduce costs, and how to produce consistently better results. The ultimate goal is simple. Stop thinking of AI as just another tool. Start thinking of it as part of your development team. If you follow this entire series, you'll discover that many tasks that used to take hours can now be completed in minutes. I'll see you in the next video, where you'll learn one of the most valuable skills of all: how to write prompts that actually work with Codex.